In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Skool account in 25 step by step. If you're looking to become part of the Skool community, follow along with me and you'll have your account set up in no time. To begin, grab your preferred device and open up your favorite web browser. We'll be heading over to the official Skool website, which is simply https://www.skool. Once you've entered that into your browser's address bar and hit enter, you should find yourself on Skool's welcoming homepage. Here on the homepage, you'll notice a couple of options to get started. Look towards the upper right corner and you'll see buttons labeled Get Started or Sign In. Both of these buttons will get you where you need to go, so click on either one. This action will redirect you to the account page where the sign up process begins. Next, you'll need to decide on the method you'd like to use to create your Skool account. Skool provides a few different options to make this process as convenient as possible. If you prefer the traditional route, you can register using your email and a password of your choice. Alternatively, if you're looking for a quicker sign-up experience, you have the option to use your existing Google or Apple account. Each method is straightforward, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've completed your registration choice, there's an important final step to ensure your account is fully activated and secure. Head over to your email inbox and look for a confirmation email from Skool. This message is essential as it contains the link that you must click to verify your account. Skool sends this email almost instantly, but if you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Click that confirmation link and voila! Your new Skool account is officially set up and ready to go. These steps should have you all set with your own Skool account, and now you can begin exploring all the features Skool has to offer. Congratulations on joining a community where learning and collaboration happen seamlessly. Remember, if you had any trouble along the way, simply revisit these steps to check you didn't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy all the great things Skool can do for you.